What if you could build a fully working website in just a few minutes without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Base44 step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own live website up and running. Let's get started. First, you'll need access to Base44. I've left it in the description so you can follow along in real time. Once you open it and log in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where you can start building anything you want using AI. All you have to do here is describe your idea. For this tutorial, I'm going to build a typing test website. I've already prepared a prompt, so I'll paste it in and click Generate. Now take a look at this. On the left side, the AI is actually building the application, setting up the structure, features, and logic. And on the right side, you get a live preview of your website as it's being created. So you're not just waiting, you can literally watch your app come to life in real time. Once it finishes, you can interact with the site immediately. You can test the typing functionality, check how everything works, and make sure it matches what you wanted. If you want to customize anything, it's very straightforward. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to see how your site looks across different devices. You can also adjust the design, change colors, and refine the layout, all without touching any code. Now, once you're satisfied with your website, the next step is to publish it. Just click on the Publish option. You'll see different deployment choices, including turning it into a mobile app, but for now, we'll keep it simple and publish it as a website. Go ahead and confirm. Base44 will generate a unique link for your project. Let's open it in a new tab. And just like that, your typing test website is live. You can use it yourself, share it with others, or even build on top of it if you want to turn it into something bigger. And the best part is, this entire process took just a few minutes. That's the power of AI tools like Base44. If you found this helpful and want to see more simple tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.